All right, so sorry, I don't know what I was doing. For a whole 10 seconds there, I think you guys can never get that 10 seconds back. Um, sorry. um, so basically, what's happened is I've paid for the ES Mini, and reason why I did that is I figure the ES Mini and the US 500 actually do trade. I mean, it's the same commodity. It's just the price scale is, I think, it's shifted upwards on the US 500. Oh no, shifted downwards on the US, because right now it's at 41.44 and the US 500 is at 41.33. Right, so it shifted downwards on the US 500. Given that that's the case, I'll stop the US 500 and only use the ES Mini. But what that would entail is that if I was going to take a trade on my account, I just need to know what candle exactly at what point I am risking, and it's going to be the same thing, I think. So, because let's say this candle here, let's say from the wick at the bottom here to this point here is 45 points. Let's say 45 pips or 45 micro pips. Yeah, huh? Why is it so different? But the analysis here seems nicer than. How is it that much different? Interesting. Are you serious? Let's try from the close, rather. 80. Let's try this from the close. What is this shit? Like, what is this shit? Oh, you see, it is 80. It's in the 80s too. 8.25. I don't know why it's. I guess it's futures. So this numbers here are different entirely. Well, it's about 8.25, and this one is about 80, which is about the same. It's about 8, so this one just has the actual numbers. So it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's all good. So that one's 8.25. This one's 8. Looking at it from the close, 8.25 to 8. 8.5, I guess. Well, it's fine. I think it's negligible. It's okay. So we'll start doing our analysis on the ES Mini. That's what's gonna happen. Uh, and so even during the day, we'll be trading on the ES Mini. But like today, you could have seen this. I mean, it still look ugly, but this is not. This actually looks nicer here compared to here. See, just looks more compact here. Very nice. Very very nice. And this also looks nicer compared to here. Same candle, same area, it just looks nicer. Is it perspective? Yes. So what are you gonna do about it? Anyhow, that is that. That is done. All right, so let us now go to this. Go to the US 500. Go to oh shit. Oh shit. So what day did we stop? Damn, what day did we stop, man? Because I refreshed this thing after I paid for it, right? I had to refresh it. Why is it delayed here, anyways? I guess I have to refresh it. It's already, or whatever. I gotta refresh it now. So gotta redo this thing, I guess. I mean that doesn't matter. So we gotta find out where we stopped. We stopped at, yeah, so around this month. First of all, it was this month it was in November 2020. Cause last month's high was September high. So it was in November 2020 we stopped. I'm looking to see if we can get any um go to the 1 hour. Go to 2020. Let's get the day we stopped. So last month high was in November, but it doesn't seem to. I don't think we've. Oh, there you go. So it's right here we stopped, right? Right here on Tuesday, 27th October. No, well, we normally do up to Fridays, right? Yeah. So we stopped at the Friday, which would be 30th of October, 2020. So we will now go to the ES. Go to this. What is this? Whatever. Let's see if we can backtest on this. So we're going to October 30th, 2020. So first of all, let me put this. Perfect. And then we're also going to be able to trade 5 minute. Looks like we're gonna trade 5 minutes. Okay, maybe let's try a different ES. We can't go all the way back to the 5. This is annoying, isn't it? Let's see how far back we can go on the 5, I guess. Why can't we see the 5? Damn. Can only see the 1 hour. It doesn't go as far. We can't back test on this one then, since. Yeah, let's exit the replay mode and go to the 5 and see how far back we can go. See how far back we can go. It doesn't go past this. What the hell? I don't know how to use this ESN. 15 minutes does go further back though. But 5 doesn't. Yeesh. It's annoying. So we can't backtest on the ES. The main reason why I wanted to backtest on the ES too, so we'll still trade on the ES. But the main reason why I wanted to backtest because we can now have these our lines here. So on the ES now we can put the monthly line here, over here, put the monthly so prior month. The same analysis. It's just a data point that changes. And like I said, the only reason why I wanted to backtest on the ES was because of what's it called, the um red lines that we can add. That was the only reason why I wanted to backtest on the ES. But I guess we'll have to stick to. Here we can just run back a couple of, because we're in 2020, so we can stick to backtesting on the US 500 2020. And then we'll just run back as far back as we can get on the ES itself. Let's do the ES itself before we stopped at what again? We stopped at October 30th, 2020 was where we stopped. Just right as that. Just to keep it for later. And then let's go back as far as we can. So we'll come back to November 2020. That works. Oh, yeah, I think that's as far back as we can go. 45 minutes. Just to November. That sucks. Alright, let's put the lines I want to use in this. 3750. 3700. I mean, we can only go back up to November 10, 2022 anyway. Why are we backtesting here? Might as well just backtest it there so we can have the lines already in it by the time we get to the current day. So November 2022, we just press back here. This is the weekly, right? So November, so I think around here. Okay, that works. I think we can go from here. We can even go from here on the first day. On the first full day. Like I said, we just put the lines here, 3700. 3800. That's still far. Why am I not using the current time? 3850, still far. 3900. 3950. Why did I click that? 3900. 3875 wasn't holding too bad, eh? 75 wasn't holding too bad. So basically, if we do our analysis on the ES, this time scale actually matters now. So price is rejecting off of 875, which is a quarter point bank level, I guess. Whatever. Oh, by the way, not that you guys should care, but I did buy the I did whatever. Don't worry, I'll let you guys know if I pass the funded account. Starting a funded account challenge tomorrow, basically. So if I come around 8:10 here, there's no prior history for this, but about up until this is the whole day. We just don't have prior day. So without that, we can literally just say, oh, there's a line here. Let us go to the monthly. So this is what, October 31st. I guess it's better we actually do this day. Yeah, oh, this is the day we're supposed to do. Okay, so we should actually go back here so we can get all the data for the prior month. So it's October, right? Yeah, October. Alright, now we'll just do this. We're trading, right? So we'll eventually fix it to the current. We'll get to February today, so we'll be fine. We're just running through this whole thing. Monthly is up. No, as of right now, still on a downtrend. Oh, no, right now it just started downtrend. Overall, was on an uptrend, but we're now on a downtrend. At this point, we're on an uptrend, but then now on a downtrend. Man, this is one of those times where it's like just flipping on you anyhow. Anyhow. So right now on uptrend and bullish price action. That's correct. And then we go to the weeklies. We are on this is the week low, current week low, and this is the week high, current week. Look how the week low was right by 3,700. Imagine that. Atiba, go, imagine that. Just think about that, anyways. That's about that. And then so weeklies were on an uptrend, yes, at this candle, and we will call this bearish price action. Oh, might as well in it. Dailies, we are on an uptrend, yes. Call this an uptrend. I really need to uptrend right now. We don't need to change the price action, but we need to notice mentally that we do have a bearish price action. No volume though. Alright. Yeah. 6, perfect. Right on it. Yeah, this was last week's high. Why wasn't it right there? It's interesting, eh? And this was 15 minutes, no, 5 minutes. Yeah, I want to just see this day real quick. So let's say we came at 8:10 here. As we're coming, basically we see that, oh, price is bearish. We know price is bearish. We technically want to see price hold this area, pull back to that area first. But then on the way up, price tries to go and then rejects. But prior to this rejection, there was a nice bullish volume. And at 8 o'clock, there was good bullish volume. So from this point, for some reason, there's good bullish volume. But if you now align it to right there, align this, turn this to 38.75, boom. You see that price is rejecting 38.75, which is a bank level. And so Price pulls back again, rejection. It's not a bad point to get in long, given that price when so you still expect price to come here. You want to see how price rejects here, but price didn't give you, and then there's no base here, just a high, right? So you want price to at least come around here. But price didn't give us an entry there. It just pulls back down to this 38.75. Rejects nicely off of it. No close below it, so might as well get in long there. Risking maybe 40 pips. Looking for 80 at the bare minimum, which we do get. But when price came back here, we had rejection and then doji rejection. That is pretty cool. Doji rejection. Well, price from the base here, basically around the low. We won't call it a base, just like one of the ones we've seen earlier. But this rejection is not necessarily a bad one to take though. If you wanted to see something more clear, that is a valid, because price had already tried this pullback. Now it's from that something from the low here and pulled up. Now it's going up again. Is price gonna reject off of this? It doesn't seem likely with the structure is formed on the way up. That's the thing. So you may take a hedge there. Right there, risking higher day. It's a little bit above maybe that week there. Or you may just let it be and still hold your long. And if you're not in a long, you may be hungry to take a trade. Yeah, you could take a small, because like I said, the way price at form structure here, I don't think it's gonna hold. It's gonna hold and fall back down. So you could take that long there, risking structure there, so 30 pips. And then oh, I said 30 pips, 75 pips. Remember we're using this one here, 75 pips, and then we're looking for 150, so 75 we're looking for. So for this one we're risking about almost 90 pips, looking for 180, which you get around here, on this candle here. And then for this one, with I'm risking 75, looking for 150, which is 15, but then we get stopped out. By the time this kind of happens, it will be of your own discretion to close your trade around here or something. Be safe out there. Be safe. Price pulls up. We know there was this rejection from that, and now again there is the red line, right? So there's no point where we should have gone in short here, but boom, drops like a rock. Want to see price come down here, ideally. Price pulls back up to the red line, rejects. We know that there's a lot of volume that dropped from there just now. Plus this volume here may not have been a bad idea to take a small, again maybe 10%, or depending on your account. If you're initially taking 1% trades, maybe 0.25 here, risking 90 pips, looking for 180, which you still get nicely. Well, yeah, just because of the red line and the fact that price just dropped drastically off of it, right? And so you're waiting for price to come around these weeks here, because price just went off of that, and looks like price is consolidating on the day, right? So if you're waiting for price get here, rejections as it's coming down, rejection here on this candle was not necessarily a bad idea to take that long there, risking low of day. So that'll be 40 looking for 100 looking for 200, which you do not get, but at the very least you got here. Price had dropped from here. This was a point to watch right there, plus the red lines above. So on the way up, it didn't really give you a sign to get out and plumb this base here. Came back, pulled back to this base, went back up, again rejection. Maybe you want to get out around here before this black candle forms. With these rejections, maybe you want to get maybe after the black candle forms you want to get out, because, or at least get out something, because price was not looking too good. It wasn't looking good at all. So like I said, you want to risk below. So let's say you took it on the second candle, that would have been this, risking low of day, so 80, looking for 160. That you would have probably got it. And now you got. And so price fell from here, dropped. So there was no sign to really get in short there, but that could have been a quick small trade, any rejection on the way up. Small, just saying, when you took that small trade here, if you had the guts to take this trade, no, not this one. If you had the guts to take this trade here, then have the guts to take this trade here, because you gotta be consistent if you're gonna be risky. If not, you would not win over the long run. You're gonna be risky, and you see good trades, you take the risk. Take the risk always. Don't take the risk sometimes. But as long as they're good trades, right? So I'm taking that 850 or 85, looking for 160, 170, right? You get a 170 right there. And but you know that price has formed some kind of structure here. Just the same way price formed structure here, but you were risky enough to take the trade still. Price formed structure here, you're still risky enough to take the trade still. So you profited on this one, but you lost on this one. So and then price pulls down here. At this point, you might as well just stop trading because you don't know where the hell price where the hell price is gonna break out to. It could break out to the downside or break out to the long side or consolidate inside. You don't really know. But at this point there's no reason for you to go long anyways. So might as well stop trading there. Don't even try. Maybe at this candle you could attempt, but you're really risking it. It's 115 now. Alright, let's go and trade on this day. Let's remove this line. So we'll keep using these lines for the what's it called, 25 so that's 740, 45, 50, 55, 8, 805. Wow, price has really dropped off last month's low, last week's high. Two lines right there, heavy. Plus, not only is it two lines there, there's also the 25 mark there. So it was heavy rejections there. But if price was gonna break through that, it had to just pop through it like that. But remember, on the monthly, we have bullish price action still, but weekly we have bearish price action. So there's that. Daily we're on an uptrend, I guess. So there's that. So if we're on an uptrend, this is a place where I look to take a long. And there's a base formed here right at the 3900 mark. It's clean base too. So that is where I'll be looking for price to bounce back to. I don't like that candle. It's not a bad candle, but prior candle was ugly, so not much rejection there. Looks like it wants to break through. It already broke through this, so we're fine. Alright, we're not taking that trade, and there was no opportunity to go in long. So like I said, at 805 coming in, it's more bearish on the day. We're looking for price come back up here to take a short and joining on the action, but price is not looking to go back up there. It's from the base here. It's pretty nice. 75 is here. 75 is not really being used, so it's fine. It's only base here. No real rejection off of it though. That's a good rejection. So now this base is solid now. If you want me to draw it, then we look something like this. That's a solid base there now. Price comes up there and rejects again. Good rejection though. Oh, that's not good. Because price could use this as structure. That's okay, but prior candle wasn't all that. Nope. There you go. Price using this as structure. Wants to pull back up. There is something here, but it's not. It's just a high. They just call it a high. Delete that base off of there. Call that a high. Price hasn't formed anything to the upside anyways, so that's very good rejection in that candle. Price formed something here. Is bouncing off of that something. Good rejection. Time is 11:10. Price doesn't seem like it wants to break this here, but this is not really anything. I guess you could call this a base overall, but it's not really much. We'll go in short because it's looking. This point we may risk maybe 10% honestly, because it's not the best. I don't really like a trade like that. 10% risking above this here, so it's 175. Like I said, price is forming stuff here, so you'd have to break a whole lot of structure to continue to the downside right now. We aren't seeing any real bullish volume at this point, but there you go. That's good bullish volume. I will get out of trade there. 13.50, so might as well just close the trade because this is the last candle of the day. All right. Like I said, you get in your trades and you manage them. If you come at the start of the day, then you may have taken this trade here. 7:30 price opened. Looking at it'd be like, oh, price more bullish on the day, but knowing that there's last month high and last month low and last week high as resistance there, damn, that that's exactly what you feel like. Damn, what? That's double resistance. Not only that, we have the 39.25 right there too. Come on, that's a lot of resistance, a lot of bank level resistance right there. A lot of what? Repeat with me, you stupid pieces of shit. Repeat with me. A lot of bank level resistance. I'm sorry for calling you a stupid piece of shit, but I'm pretty sure you won't have taken offense if you're in a stupid piece of shit. But all of that aside, a lot of bank level resistance there. Give me a second, let me clean my glasses. Also, I'm kind of thirsty. Damn, I truly am just thirsty, but saying it out loud, this word has ruined that whole statement. Why can't I not just say I'm thirsty without feeling like, I really am just thirsty for water. Maybe I have to add it for water there, just to be safe. This world out here, they've ruined a lot of English. Anyhow, let me get a bottle of water real quick. Oh, and also let me wear my onesie because I'm kind of cold. Yo, I've been cold all this while for no reason. Because I just worn my onesie a long time ago. I was just, for some reason, enduring the cold. Like, what? I was so focused on this analysis and also not getting off of my chair that I was kind of unknowingly just enduring the cold. I don't have to suffer like that, you know? I don't have to. Why did I have to go through all that? It's your fault. You, who is watching this right now, it's your fault that on this day of February, whatever date it is, 2023, I was cold at this exact time. Ah, that was a nice crack. Yo, I really wish I could make enough money to get a jacuzzi. That's all I want right now. That's what I've been wanting for a long time. Every day I shower, I think of my jacuzzi. It's been years. I still can't afford a jacuzzi. Jacuzzi would be so nice. To just melt away in the water, the warm water. Why is there a teardrop rolling down my eyes right now? Jacuzzi. I'm pretty sure at this time when you are watching this video, for some of you, by this time I already have a jacuzzi, so kudos to me. Alright, let's go back to this. So, if you came on the day, then if you use the fact that there's a lot of resistance here to just go in short headlong, well, good for you. If you did not, well, there was no real opportunity short. Price did not really show that it wanted to go down. There was no real reason to go short. It just kind of happened. So on this day, there was no real entry. Just kind of happened. Like I said, just kind of happened. Oh, and plus, if you were given the fact that you could have gone in like a little long here, to be honest, because price really pushed from here, and it's at the red line plus price really pushed from here. So now rejection, rejection. You could have gone in long here, expecting price to go back to this base that is formed up here, but you'd have lost. So those kind of trades you wanna, cause on the day right now there's only bearish momentum. So if you're gonna go in a long like a reversal, then you want to what's it called? Take less risk, cause you may lose, and this is not even a good setup. Like it's not the best, you know. All right. Unlike the prior day is different because there was actually bullish volume on the day, and then it came here, it showed more volume, so we got in here. We didn't even get in down here, we got in here. There was no reason we get in down here, but anyhow, we didn't get in down here, we got in here. See, there was more bullish volume on the day. It was a bearish day at this point, but there was bullish volume. On this day, however, there was no bullish volume at the time of this trade. So if you decided to be the person to create the bullish volume, then good luck to you, my good sir. Good luck to you. All right, let's go to the daily. What is price action looking like? Well, we are uptrending and bearish price action for the day. Bearish. All right, let's go to the. Oh, let's go to 1 hour. No, this is not right. Let's go to 1 hour. And then let us move it. I like to move it, move it. Oh shit. That's the first time that's happened for a while. Alright, let's go to 15. Give me the 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Price is quite bearish. There was consolidation here. Alright, I guess we need another 38.50. 39, no, 38.50. Yeah, that's what it is. Alright. There's a red line here. Plus price has formed a base here, coming in at 8. Nope. 1, 2. Coming in at 805. Price has formed a base here. It's kind of broken, but it didn't break far. There is a red line here. There is a lot of wicks also. It looks very short worthy, like it's begging me to just get in, saying, please, Michael, please go in short. There is no reason why you ain't going in short right now. Yo, go in short, Michael. Please, please, just take a little bit of this. Take a little bit. So I will answer his call, and I will take a little bit of some. This was all breaking, right? So who cares? I'll take a little bit of that. I'll take it on the pullback up to this point, and I'll get in short, and I will only be risking 10% because I'll only be risking right above, right there, right there, 40 point, 100 and whatever there. I'll be risking there. Leave me alone. 10.25 there. I'll be looking for, let's say 105, so 210. We're looking for 210. After all, price is bearish. There is this base right here. It's not really in the day that it was formed, but it's still a base, and this is the high of that base. And that's the kind of we'll be risking on that base. Whatever, let's keep going. Well, price is annoyingly curving back up. It's not going too far from this. It's not going too far. Close in all of the wicks. Oh my god, why is price doing this? That's some nice rejection right there, my good stuff. Some nice rejection. A continuation. A continuation. If you didn't get in here, you best be getting in here. This candle right there. But let's keep going. Oh my god, look at the wicks here, so it makes sense. Price was kind of really, why is it doing this? No, stop forming structure to counter these wicks. No, don't break above. Don't do this, bro. No, looking too good. Oh, that's good. Oh my God, it's not too bad. Oh, Price. Price looks like it wants to break up. It looks like it wants to break up. Oh my God, somebody get me something to do. Man. Oh no, help. Help me! I gotta go on break even. It's not working. It's not working. It's not working. No. Oh my God. I'm out, Ricky. Uh, well. You wanted me to say it now, didn't you? Oh, Price wanted me. I almost said I was out breaking now, didn't I? Stupid. What a bullshit day. Bullshit day. Bullshit. Knew it. Something fishy was going on in here. Something fishy going on. Something fishy going. Look at it move down. So weak and utterly disgusting. Oh my God. And so, when Price had his good bullish volume, you probably wanted to get out of a trade here. That is to say, if you were still in the trade, if you were still in the trade, if you had already gotten out break even, you could consider getting in long here for the sole reason that Price was a little sauce in here. A little sauce in here. Now, excluding all of that, Price did go down. Yes, my friends, he went down. He went down, but with little volume. Oh, little volume. Little volume to the downside. The bearish movement was not strong at all. Even the price action had a lot of rejections from the downside. So all of that telling you, I said all of that telling you that if something were to happen, I repeat, something were to happen, something such as this blue candle here, something such as the blue candle here, with all the volume in the world, all the volume in the world compared to all the candles that happened here, all these candles could not match up to the magnificence of this blue one right here. Oh, at that point, at that moment, you knew, you could smell it, you could taste it, you could hear it. That Price was about to turn around. Price was about to turn around. Price was about to turn around. Now the blue kind of yeah, you could have jumped in. I said you could have jumped in. Now for those of you that are little wimps, for those of you who need the extra confirmation, well, the next candle said it all now, didn't it? The next candle gave you all you needed. It told you, get in. I'm gonna be moving. I'm gonna be going up. Do you understand me? I said, get in. Get in. Receive it. Oh my God. Speak to me, baby. Speak to me right now. It told you get in. For those of you that did not get in, heed its own call. You did not heed its call. You did not get in. For those of you that did not get in, oh, you missed a short move here. You missed this what a short move here. Oh, unfortunate. How unfortunate. For those of you that did not sell your shorts here for some minuscule profits, well, how unfortunate. Even more unfortunate if you did not already have it at break even. Break even. But for those of you who like to be patient, who think you are extra patient, well, this move with all the volume in the world, not much volume, but all the volume, it wasn't really much volume, it was like only this one candle, with all the volume in the world, when price pulled back. I said when price pulled back, You waited. You waited. You wanted a deeper pull. You wanted a deeper pull. You waited. You waited. And then this candle happened. The almighty doji. Not only was it a doji with a bullish price action, but he also broke that point, saying, "Go ye no further than whence you have already been," and he sent price back up. At that moment, you should have had conviction strong as the rock, resolve like the mountains, that price would continue to the upside. You should have gone in with all your life savings at that moment, risking right there, saying, "I dare you, price. I dare you to come back down if you know what. I dare you, double freaking dare, triple, quadruple dare you for price to come back down." But no, you didn't go in. You didn't go in risking all your life savings, because it won't matter if it's not all your life savings. You gotta go in risking all your life savings. And on that one trade, the man that put in $500 as his life savings, oh, that man was already broke. That man was at the bottom of poverty. That man was, wow, $500, your life savings. How old are you, buddy? Like, your life savings, you might as well have nothing. But anyhow, he put in the whole 500, and coming out of the street, this man is already a millionaire, and all of this stupid freaking challenge is done. Shit. All right. So that was a lot of energy I expended in all of that. To be honest, I actually expended a lot of energy there. But price did come down with low volume. Couple of rejections. This candle was very. It was very scary. So after this candle, you should have gone out of a short. If you wanted, you could have gone in long, because the only reason why you're getting in long, because watching the price action here, you could see that price was pretty bullish, and it didn't really show any. Other than this blue candle here, there wasn't really much. I guess there was an entry for the short side, but given that price was pretty bullish here, and then on the way down it was weak, you could have gone in here long. But let's say we don't get in here long, you definitely could have gone in here long, risking the low of the day, which would have been 80, or risking 90 and then looking for 180. So if a price come back to this base here, which is where I thought price was going to come back to, but with all these wicks, it was kind of like, let us take that trade. That's why we only winning 10% on that trade, right? I have to drink that water, man. All of that preaching I just did, not easy, bro. Not easy. Think it's easy? It's not easy, man. 25 looking for feet. No, not 25. 65 looking for 130. I guess we're just risked up here would have been better, honestly. Maybe even the low of it, but not up there. Up here, a little far. Up here. Since we're risking 10% anyway, so 65 looking for 130, right? We're going out 130 right before price turned around. But anyway, so we didn't do that. We like to be safe, a little bit safe. A little bit safe. Alright, so price does go up. So now it's what, 11:45. Let's see what price does around here. I could draw the line to give you more visuals. I have the visuals in my eyes, but I can give you more visuals if you want. Right here is the place we're looking for. Price has broken above the red line, which is very good. On the way up, price from this base here, but it's not a base, it's not a rally base rally kind of thing. It is more just like a low, to be honest. It does look like a base though. If you include this candle, you could call this definitely a high time frame base, but not under 5 minutes like that. Very good rejection. I would definitely take this trade right here. Risking, what's it called? Since price doesn't have anything, right? So risking that candle up there, which is 110. Looking for, oh my god. Well, we had an opportunity to get the hell out of the trade when price did this, came down like that, came to touch this base and started coming back up. I think that was 12 o'clock. Yep, I think that was what's it called, news or something. But that would definitely be the time to get out of the trade if we took that short. Because like I said, this is not a we would not get out here. We'll get out break even. This is not a what's it called. It's not within the day base. It's like from day from pre-market, so it's not that strong at least to me. But it's not unusable. We would have taken that short there, and we know there's a red line here. Price does go down, but you would see the price coming back up, and you see the volume coming. You can decide to get out of a trade right there if you want to. If you didn't want to get out of a trade, that's fine too. You could have taken the loss. It's just 10% we'll be risking because we don't like this. It's not like we don't like the base. We don't like the time frame the base comes from. But if you had held your long here, though, that's a nice one right there. That's a nice one. Taking your long, risking that 90, looking for 180. You get 180 and more in one candle. Yep. Oh, we don't care about the and more parts. We just care about the 180 part. Ti mañana marini mama 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 mañana. Man, why am I doing all this? I guess I'm getting a little tired. I'm sorry. I don't mean to be crazy for you guys. Anyhow, so we have rejection of the red line here. It's quite a rejection, but wait. Doesn't look like the type that we want to go in short for. Certainly doesn't look like it. Price from this base here, but the wick on that base is long. Let's see this. Yep, what we're expecting. Oh, that's quite a rejection actually. We could take some shorts right there. Well, the price candle was pretty strong, so wait. Yeah, it's called the volume. That's why I thought to take a shot. Maybe I could have taken a shot on my own. Maybe I could have taken, risking 10%, because that candle deserved a continuation with that type of volume, not what just happened, not the rejection. Plus, that's the red line there. So, if taking a short, probably just risk above that there. Guess we get stopped out. That's the thing. So, but if we waited and on the way back down, we could have taken a short and then risking the high of that candle. It will be above, so maybe 200 or 250 or something. 250 maybe. That way we get 500. Not quite get 500, but we just sell around here. Like price really went down on that one candle, you know. And then if you waited for the patient bastards to take out the 500 they were asking for, good for you, eh? You got 500. Good for you. Nobody gives two craps about your 500, buddy. Sheesh. Like I said, it was just because of the volume that came in. So there was rejections here. The red line was there. And then again, blue candle, we should have gotten continuation, but we didn't get in long for the continuation. But we got this rejection. Okay, what the hell is that? So then we got in short. Let's say we get in short, and then we just risk. So the high of this black candle was there, so we just maybe risk 250 just because I want to give you a little bit more space, right? So if we had done that, we'd have probably still been in trade 250, and we'd have gotten out 500 right there. And then when if you didn't say, oh, see this candle nice, so you just keep waiting and then you just get out a lot right there. Get out a lot right there because price is bouncing. All right, so I think we should be almost done. At this point, it's just volume that's trading. It's not even there's no nothing trading, just volume, just volume trading, nothing else, nothing, nothing, nothing. You could say price from like a base here, but that's a large base, bro. But there's a red line there. If you took that trade, you could have risked up there. Oh my god, you're risking 400 points, 300 points, looking for 600. Or maybe just trade down here instead. That's a little better because of the volume on that. Risking maybe this 280 points. Looking for basically 600 points. Looking for 560. Looking for price to come down here. And you got it. God, this was a very nice volume. But again, it's like after 1 p.m. So nice volume rejection of the red line. Plus the fact that price already bearish on the new volume. So it was pretty nice for continuation. But on these trades, like if me, let's say I'm risking 25% normally, right? So I'll be risking 10% on these trades because these are not structure based trades. They're more price action really based trades. So price action, and then there's the red line for help. So I'm not what's it called? Gonna risk 25%. I'll probably risk like 10% on the trade, and same thing. So 10%, 10% trades. That's it, honestly. That is it. Imagine risking 10%, just getting pissed. I'm going in risking 10%, risking only here, risking only 11, 105 points, and then we get 1,000. 10x, make 100% on your 10%, or make 50%, risking 5%. Only risking here. That would be mad. I would never do that. With the amount of volume, price just needs to blow in your direction and take your stop out. The amount of volume, bro. If I was gonna get up here, I might as well risk all the way like here, maybe this week. Ah, that's a little much. Here, 300, looking for 600. Done. Finito. Don't need to stress like that. If this volume just came, that's why I would not take it here. And plus, I don't like the wick on the bottom. So next candle was pretty okay. Okay, at some point it was gonna bounce and then volume should have continued. That was why we got in that shot. That shot made sense to us, you know. But yeah. Actually, if we're going in there, our risk should have been, because this we don't like this base, so normally we would risk right there. So yeah, so 250. Yeah, it was correct. 250. Yeah, so that's it. 500. Alright, that's it then. Let us now go to the next day. What the hell? I clicked on the weekly. It's just being stupid, honestly. It's just being stupid. Let's go back. We're on what day? Last month high. How is that last month high? I need to go back and correct that thing. Let's go back there. Let's go back to the monthly. What the hell? How's that last month high? Is the last month low? Haha, we switched it. The price on the downtrend, right? That was, I knew something was wrong. So the price on the downtrend, the monthly, for the month of November. Oh, that's spending down. For the month of November, price was on the downtrend, and then the weekly high that we're at. Oh, I guess it's this coming week. So it's the start of the week. So this is the week we're at right here. Because that's the high low, and then we go to the 1 hour. Where have we traded? Go to the 5. We traded up to here. So right, I'm not sure. Whatever. See, I don't care. Just leave me alone. So this was where we just finished trading. $750, 55. I have a feeling that this week low is from this week, not the prior week. But we'll just leave it. We'll not use the week lows. 805. So coming in on the day, we realize that price is bearish. That's what we see. Obvious volume to the bear side, but we do have some bullish volume. There is no point where we can actually go in long from, but price has done something here. But ideally, we're waiting for price to come back up here. Let's see what we can get a short for continuation. Nope, it's very bullish. Very bullish. So there's no short for nope, it's looking weak now. That's good. Give me another one. Oh my god. Go then. Go to the sky. Sheesh, stupid. Sometimes price just needs a good smacking, bro. And yeah, that's good rejection there. But you can see volume definitely came in from down here. Obviously, like I said, I think this is the prior week's low. Or this week's low. Not the prior week's. I guess price still holding these weeks here. Obviously, overall on the downtrend, there's a lot of points to get in short from here, but there's so many points I don't know which one to use. So many points I don't know which one to use. So the base here, kind of base that formed. So there's not base here. So price obviously has formed base to the upside. Wait for price to come down around here. See how it behaves. Oh, that's disgusting. Oh, that's nice. Might as well take it risking down there. Take it only 10%, though. We don't like this structure style. We don't like this structure style. Take only 10%. Risking down here. 200 points, looking for 400. Reason why I took it there, obviously, like I don't tell you, right? I don't. I'm only pointing at it. I don't tell you. Yes, that's why we took it. This candle here, and the fact that price already bounced off there, just like today. Well, we have gone to today, but I mean, I don't think I've switched it here. So if it goes to today right now, just like today, price bounced off. So it's formed something. There was a base here. Yes, man. There was a base here. Price bounced off, and then pulled back, came here again. Now we saw this nice rejection, and so it came again. So on this candle with that showed us rejection, we might as well have taken trade there. We didn't have to take it here. We know price bounced up, but we want to see that there's still volume to take it back to the upside here. So this was the ideal point of entry. This black candle at 1 o'clock exactly. So that's why we didn't take it on this rejection, and this was already too far. We didn't take it up there. Nope, we wanted to pull back a little lower. So anyways, we're in now. We're risking about 200, right? Looking for 400, so looking for price to go up here. Honestly, we're about 1 hour right here. I don't think price is gonna go there. There was a nice drop here. Price has come back up here now. How's price behaving? Not much rejections to be honest. There is this here and this to back it up, but it wasn't much. Price has formed the base here, rejected out the base. I think price structure is more bullish. What am I thinking about? I'm thinking about life. Don't disturb me, man. Don't disturb me, please. Just go away. Whatever. That's on that base there. See that mini base, mini base, mini base. Anyway, obviously break even. Like if you're not breaking at this point, you're a retard. Like what more do you see price do for you to be break even? Price obviously gonna break through this right here. It's from the base to the downside. Oh no! No! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Break it like there is no tomorrow. But now we need to be careful how price behaves here. Look at this rejections. Don't really like it, so but we'll keep going. don't really like these, honestly. But about past this thing now, are you okay? Tell me, are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay, baby? Are you okay? 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 Yeah, this around here you should have at least taken some profit because price was obviously finding it hard to break. Like, what the hell is happening? Why did price even break this base here? Even though it's an ugly one, why did it's an ugly one, but it's backed up. You know, it's backed up by things here. Why did price break through it? I mean, it didn't close below, but that's rude. You shouldn't just break things just because you feel like that. That's very rude. Very, very, very rude. That's rude. Alright, like price shouldn't just do that. I don't support that. I don't support that at all. I don't support that at all. Like, we should have a whole movement on what price can and cannot do, alongside all of these many movements that are happening in the US. Just throw that in there. Be like, price should not just do what I don't want. Like, what? Oh my god. Do you know how I feel after price does what I don't want? Price is racist. Oh my god, bro. Okay, that was a little too deep, I guess, because there are some racial things out there in life, but a lot of the things that they have kind of generalized it and they've overused it, I guess. So it's now kind of doesn't weigh as much as it should, you know. So, um, but still, I'm not ignorant enough to not know when a joke may be a little too far, even though it doesn't matter what public, you know, I should still be conscious enough to decide that, maybe this joke is a little bit too far. It's a little bit. My apologies. I did not mean to take it there. But it was like it just fit perfectly in that little square in the conversational construct, in the conversational structure. It just fit right there. Like I just had to put it in there. Ah. But my apologies. I didn't like, it was a joke. I didn't like, if people used the racial things as a joke versus if they used it the way they use it, which is in serious situations, but you're trying to use it as a get out of jail free card. If it was more like they are jokes and then they are seriousness, people, it's I think I'm even using it right. There's jokes and there's seriousness, but not trying to use it as life is not going well for me. It's because people are racist towards me. I mean, there are serious situations like that, but still, it's still. What are the chances, bro? What are the chances? Obviously, it's not. Back in the day, there's probably more chances, but now, okay, sure. Show me a situation. What are you trying to do? What work did you put in? Stuff like that. Well, price broke above this space that I formed there. It was more bullish to me, but after this, you should probably just get the hell out of this place because price is acting weird and market is about to close. You don't know what will happen. It could have easily popped up here, or maybe you could have hedged. You could have hedged here and put it right above there, or maybe you're risking 10%, right? Oh, yeah, risking 10%. So 12, looking for 240. Could have hedged there and put it as break even and taking your hedge if your hedge got stopped out. Your hedge did get stopped out. You were risking what, 200, right? You're risking 200, looking for 400. Well, 400 wasn't too far if your hedge gets stopped out. But like I said, there is a lot of places to go short from, so price will find it hard to break it. It needs a little bit more distance. It needs a little bit more distance, space, a little bit more space and momentum for price to just run through all of this just like it did here. But who knows? Maybe some kind of news will have come out and we just bow chicka bow wow. My Bible says bow wow. But oh well. And who knows, you could have just not gone in short or anything, just stayed and broken even, and that's it. Like, you don't have stress. Life is not all about stress. Look, you broke even 2 days in a row. You broke even on this day, I think. And you broke even on this day, right? Broke even on this day, or no trade, more trading. Broke even on Monday, broke even on Tuesday. Wednesday, you got like one trade here that you could have also broken even. But I'd say if you took this long here, then you're definitely in for the moolah. That's two trades. So let's just say one trade if you took this long here. But definitely if you took that 10% here, that's one trade, two trades. You got two shorts on that day. And that's 10%, 10%, that's 40%, you're up. And then today you're just break even. But you're still up 40% on the week. Isn't that something? Hmm? Isn't that something? No, Michael, that's nothing. I'm trying to be up like 300% on the week. Do you have a problem with that, bro? Do you have a problem with that, my friend? If you do, well, that's unfortunate. Sure would have been nice if we were risking here. Alright, let's go to another thing. I'm done staring at this one. Alright, we're still in a downtrend monthly. Uptrend weekly. The conflicting price action really trends on each time frame. That's crazy. Downtrend, bullish price action. Uptrend, bearish price action. And on the daily, we are on a downtrend. Now, at this point, we were on a downtrend. Although, now we're on a downtrend right now from this candle. So, we don't have to write that. So, we're on a down. Oh, we have to write downtrend. Sorry. Why does this keep happening to me? Why me? Alright. Alright. It's a Thursday, so we have one more day for Friday. Let me take a break, play some chess, maybe. Ooh, what a rejection. Oh, price is aggressive on the day. A lot of bearish volume. A lot of bearish volume. Let's see price go back up here and let's see what it wants to do. Makes sense coming off of this plus the red line right there. Well, whatever. I think this is the day that price will really push up, push up, like push up, brah. Did that not add up? Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Told you price wanted to push up. Told you. I told you price wanted to push up, didn't I? Told you price wanted to push up because when price dropped all this time, it's having volume right now with a lot of pushing up, a lot of push up, bro. Oh my god, that is so. Oh no. Prices from this base there and this base here. Well, this one's weak, this one's stronger, but this one's a lot of people like this one. This one is just there. Alright, price is rejecting this red line quite well. Coming in here, price could find a drop from anywhere in there, so and price has this base come. That's a very nice candle. But let's see what price wants to do. Oh, nice. Let's come to this base. Nice. And then there's a red line there. That was actually pretty good. Let's come to this base. Is it going to pop up from the base? No, maybe it's coming to the lower base. Rejecting nicely. I actually don't mind it at all. It does have a low in regular structure. But yeah, we like it when price comes a little inside the base. So it needs to come at least halfway. Come on. You got this. Don't just jump. Oh, wow. Well, good thing we like it coming at least halfway, because we would have been in long up there and we would not be liking this price action right now. However, if we had gone in short right there, rejection of the red line, plus the fact that price is now at a point where it could drop from any place, shape, or form because of this imbalance in here, along with the red line, we could have taken a short right there, risking just good, Jehovah weakness. Why Jehovah Witness? Why? Like, why? How did that even come to my mind? Anyhow, 80, 200 points. So risking 200 points, looking for 400 points. Just a little bit more. Yeah, and we get 400 points. Because, like I said, these bases, ugly. We don't like them. A lot of people use them, but we don't like them. If we're going to use a base like this, one, first of all, price needs to come deep. One. Two, base like this, we just want price to show that it's actually gonna bounce. It bounce off of it and then we'll come back and use it. But base like this, one price to actually go deep into the base and then hold, then we could take that trade. Sure. Let's see how price is down here. Good rejection, very good rejection. This is low of day. This is the week we really want to risk, because yeah, you get it, right? So because price could weaken. I think that's 36. It's a little much. It's a little much, honestly. Like, it's a little much. It's a tad bit much. I'm just gonna take a 10% trade there. Just risking under this low here. So 1700. That's the trade. See, that's why I don't use those wigs. I like to just wait and not wait. I just use these wigs here. Whatever. So this imbalance, if we're going to take a trade risking off of this imbalance here, should we have risked to this bottom wick there? Wait, calm down, let's see. Would it have been better? Oh, it's above the high. Or would it have been better to the close? Maybe the close there. So the close is maybe this. Is that close? When they call me perfection. They call me perfection. It's like I don't know why, but they just call me perfection. 250 risk. Ha. Only got 500. Oh, we still get 500. Damn. Shit dropped. Alright, that should have been the play there then. That'll be the risk. So remember that for another day. Imbalance and risk something in there, at least to the I know what I'm talking about. You don't have to either. Go away, pecan or evil. Alright, so that would have been out there. We get out here. I did not really want to risk all the way down here, so I could have waited to this point, waiting till here, and then because I like to risk lows. You guys all know this. We don't like to risk prior lows. No, not like. If this low is here, we're not going to risk the one up here. We're going to risk this one. This one that everybody sees I am part of those people that they come and take my liquidity grab, but I will continue to be part of those people because this is the low that everybody sees. Everybody's gonna use it, and there's this low too. If I wanted to be a little bit extra, could use this low. So price comes in with volume here. Give me that rejection. Now we get in. Price has not shown. Okay, I want to bounce here. I kind of want to bounce around here. I kind of want to bounce around here. That's 250 risk. We just risk 300. Wait, under this last week's low, or this week's low. So under this candle here, 300, 290. Let's call it 290. Whatever. 290. Like I said, price is likely to pop up today, but are we wrong? So wrong. So damn wrong. Oh my god. So wrong you can make me puke. Volume sure is coming from this side, eh? Whatever. We'll still hold this trade then. Damn, why are you breaking that candle? That's not very good at all. Oh, we are, da 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 da, structure, da 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 da, structure, da 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 da, structure. Boom. When structure starts to form at the bottom, pray to God it breaks down when you're on a downtrend. And when it breaks down, pray to God it has volume on the way down, because structure forming at that bottom there, it's like a whole trampoline. Like you're building a whole trampoline right there. That's what's happening. And so if price dares to come back down there, trampolinizes back up. Why did I use such a very strong term? That term sounded very aggressive. It was 600 with no price. Oh, almost caught me locking. Oh my god. We got this one here. And we got this one right under here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright. So on the way, we didn't get to the base yet. We did have a push down. But we didn't get to the base yet. And then price is now coming back up with a lot more volume. Let's see how price does in here, right? Alright, let's go. Boom. Looking very good, actually. Oh my god, it's looking really good. Okay, that's not good. Alright, it closed under again. That's not good. I don't like the fact that it has that. Let's see. See what I said? Price looked like it was gonna go up today. Those of you that were laughing at me, well, fuck you. What's time? Oh, I don't trading. Ha! I don't trading here. All right, so we have taken that trade there, and we would have made the moolah. 490. We're looking for 580 or something like that, but we got 490, 500. Well, that's fine. But that's because we're risking really extra. Honestly, if we had even gone in entering here, oh my god, we would have taken profit like here or something. But this is not bad. This is a very good entry right here. And honestly, I don't see why we're risking all the way where we risked. We could have just risked down below this, maybe 250, the usual. And looking for 500. Oh, 500 is exactly what we got. But yeah, that would have been it. We don't need to risk there. There is a safe risk though. It's not a bad risk. Like, it's a very safe risk. There was what? So we could have just risked 2750. Looking for 550, but we didn't get 550 before market close. Still got like about 90%, so that's still fine. Still fine. Are you all seeing the trades coming at 810? Seeing what the hell market is doing. What are you doing, market? What are you doing? Tell me right now what you doing, buddy. Tell me right now, Tell me right now what you doing. What you doing, huh? Tell me right now what you doing. I feel good. Alright, that's Friday for you. What's the time, man? 8:37. Should I just go sleep? I sleep at like 11, please. If I slept right now, that would be crazy. That will be crazy. Alright, let's take a break before we do another week, I think, because I am running mad. Actually, I'll just end the stream here and then restart the stream if I decide to do another one. I may just play chess for a bit, maybe just watch some YouTube, because I don't know, I'm just kind of off. I'm kind of off. But yeah, you get the gist of it. We're not gonna be. Oh, we were supposed to trade all the way to February. Oh my god! Ah! Well, isn't that unfortunate, right? Isn't that just unfortunate? So, I'm just gonna say sorry, not sorry. Damn, why does it trade all the way to February? That's 10 weeks, almost 12 weeks of trading. Bro, that's 12 times of Monday to Friday. You want to kill me? Are you people planning for my death? Is that what this is? You've all come together, all you subscribers, all you viewers, you've all come together and you decided that I died today? Huh? Is that what this is? You've decided you've had a conference, a whole Zoom meeting, and be like, Uncle Mickey dies today. Let's give him a workload that he never recovers from. No, I refuse you, rebuke you, and O ye evil begone. You will not catch me lacking like that. But yeah, man, gotta be smart with your risk and play your trades nicely. If this base was like this, we would have been more wary that on this kind we're just getting long. All right, that's enough laughing. Shut up. See, you didn't break the base. This is the main base. This is the subset base. So if I got in using this, we'll risk the base up there. This is where we risk up there. But if we got in for this base, technically we're supposed to be risking up there. So, but there was nothing here, and then there was this base, and if that was the trade, then that would have been up there. All right. Okay, you get the gist. I kind of wanna just clean up this chart because it is my main trading tab. So I'm going to clean up this chart right now. Delete these. Move, man. Delete these. Move, man. Move. Oh my god. Move, bro. Move. Alright. And then we will now exit this. Yes, exit, please. I'm tired. And then we dance. The blues advance. Dun, da, 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 da. The blues will have power forever. Then we dance. The blues advance. Da 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 da. The blues will have power forever. The blues will have power forever. Is this Daystorm? He's a YouTuber. Does some nice skits. So it'd be like a rapping. I don't know what I should call it, but it's like a drama, musical drama, I'd say. And it's nice. I like his rapping in some of them. And one of his skits, I'd say, is called the Blues. And that's what I'm. One of his scenes is what I'm singing. If you're interested, his name is Daystorm. The skit is called The Blues. Please go check. Why am I saying please? Well, go check it out if you like. I don't think I'm doing justice to it at all, but it was good. It was really good. And Daystorm is a cool guy. This Tom is a cool guy. Splack is awesome. At least his character, what he shows on, he just seems like he'd have a very good personality. I like him. And then this Tom is cool too. Batch is interesting. He's just interesting. Anyhow, I was looking at this. If it came, as a 810, it'll be around here. We'll be like, oh, there's a red line here. But even though we saw the red line, where's this risk? It's this low here. Like, the obvious low, the thing that screams out, I'm here! That's what we risk. I'm here. Look at me. Look at me, buddy. Look at me, buddy. Look at me. I'm here. And so if we took that trade risking there and price comes and close below like this, then nah, why are we going to keep our long, right? Why are we going to keep our long? Took that trade there. But yeah, if we did take the trade, that would be a loss because the red line really, I mean, price came and there was bullish volume, but we're not even gone much further down. Price did come to this imbalance and try to bounce up, but got rejected. And so after this break, honestly, is where you could have gotten in short there, risking up there. And then price pulls down more and then forms this, getting in again short here, risking up there. And there was a red line here. Price didn't even respect it at all. It didn't respect it at all. And then, by the way, for the ES 500, the monthly line that was down here on the US 500 was actually up here. So if that was the case, it was up there. Price did kind of respect it, but I would not have gone in long because it was up there and this is the current low. So why am I going in long using that low? See what I'm saying? But it was a solid line to use as a reference. That's why there's a lot of rejections on the way down. But we need to see the volume coming from that line for us to say, oh, maybe price wants to bounce off here. So, but there's no volume coming in, so we just continue our short to the downside. And then volume came in here, everybody runs, run, and then volume, run. It's funny. Yeah, 810 here. Price is looking like it wants to go down, but look like it want to go down, but boom, and then boom, come on, screaming, enter, go long, please, go long. After all, the only volume on the day was actually bullish anyway, so the only volume on the day as at that point was bullish. Go long, please, Michael, go long, please, go long. It's like, Michael, please, go long. And then I'll be like, sure, man, you're disturbing me. I'll take 80. Is that sufficient enough for you, Mr. Please go long? And then base. And then we get out here, pull back to the base, getting long again. Getting long at that second count, or even the first count. Once it came into the base, with that kind of rejection, prior count was good. Yes, well, the risk is down here, so 12. Looking for 240, we get 240, and price keeps going. Shot. Technically 240 times 2 is 480, so we'll just say that 480. 4 hours, so instead of 50%, we'll make 100% on that trade, and everybody's screaming, "Wow, Michael, you're so good at trading." I'll be like, "Yes, of course. Do you know who I am? Hello, what do you mean?" And then because there's this imbalance here, right? And so there's this rejection here, and for the imbalance we want to use this at the very minimum, want to use this as our risk. And if price already went through that, then there's a high to use as our risk, right? So those are 2 points we want to use as our risk. So price already went through that, so if we're going to go in on this candle, on this blue candle that had that amount of rejection, then we want to go in there, risking up there. That'll be 25, looking for 500. Get our 500 and we let it be. Actually, we'll probably hold because it's gone down this much, just close it. But would hold because of this candle if we're gonna hold. And then once this kind of rejects like that, we'll just get out because 500 is right here. So once this blue candle happens, we'll get out of the trade completely. And then this candle happens and then pulls back, and then this candle happens. We're like, okay, one candle, beautiful volume. Another candle, beautiful volume. Come on, you might as well take it. Just risk 10%. Don't scream too much. Just a nice, solid 10%. Maybe you risk 15 or something. Maybe you risk 150 or 200, let's just say. Because you want to give it space. Remember, its volume is a lot of volume, so it can drop. So 200, and then you get 400 right there. How beautiful. But you expect price to come at least here. I mean, price came here, is already rejecting. There's no real reason for you to get out of the trade. If you're only risking 10% and you've already made this money and you've made this money and you made this money, then you might as well just hold this one. Like, there's no, why are you rushing to take all the money from the market? Stop being greedy. Just be a little bit more greedy. But yeah, price forms this. We wait for here, and then price on this candle. You probably get out. You probably run on this guy. Yeah, I'm out. You see you guys later. Adios. Peace. I mean, if you were a little more like a man of valor, huh? A real G. You could have been like, there is this base here. I want to see what price does. And then you wait, and then price does the unspeakable. And you get out at the top like a man. And you get out like a man. And now yourself, you're risking a good 200 and you get 770. That is just a little bit under 4R. Could have gotten 40%, but you sell here, you get 30%. How nice. Let us wait. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I think I'll see you guys tomorrow. Who knows? I may see you guys again later tonight, but it'll probably be tomorrow, man. Because I'm a little bit tired. I may not come back. Where's getting 115? We get 140. It's not bad. I'm a little tired, man. I see it. There's a base formed here, and then price came. For taking this base, would have probably been risking. We would have probably been risking. That's the base. So this candle here. I've lost that trade. That have been a painful trade. But okay base, you know? It was an okay base. I see. What's the difference in here too? These are swings, heavy swings. Okay, so price had heavy swings. Because this day here, there was not much swings on this base work. This day here, there was not much swings on this day works. On this day, by the time price formed that base, we already had 1 swing, 2 swing, 3, 4, 5, and then on 6 swing. So at that point, you're like, okay, maybe price just wants to consolidate for a day. So be very careful going in midway. You want to go in at ends. Be very careful going in midway. You want to go in at ends. It was not a bad short here in this candle here. Could have gone in short there, given that that's the candle at the top side and price has been rejecting, right? So it's gone in short there, risking the same point. 9.15 this time. Yeah, holding the short, price behaves like that there. If you want to go in long, we advise you risk down here under this base here. Otherwise, you hold this price, then forms this base here, breaks through. Price, like I said, was just consolidating on that day, so you'd have just held and ended up being break even or a low loss at the end of the day. A low loss. Alright, that's it.